Hello, this is a video tutorial for how to reserve equipment from STEM Library Lab. We're going to head up to the browser and we're going to type in stemlibrarylab.org. And once this page loads, we'll head to the Inventory tab. If your school is not yet a member or you're not sure, you can head down here to this section, Is Your School a Member? And you can learn more about becoming a member of STEM Library Lab. If you are a member, you can click Search Our Inventory. It'll bring up a new window, and your first step is going to be to log in. If you don't remember your username or password, you can find them down here. Because I do, I'm going to type them in. And the page that you will, it'll bring you back to the public site. So from here, if you click on the Already Procured tab, you can see the items currently in stock, but everything on the website is reservable. Anything that you need, you can order. So you're going to click an item, and you can learn about it. You can see the quantity. It says quantity 1, but it's a 10 pack, so that means we have 10. And then you know your dates that you want to reserve, so you can reserve. Typically, the borrowing period is 1 week. I know I'm going to need them next Wednesday to the following Wednesday, so I'm going to hit Start. Now it's going to appear in my cart. I can continue adding new items by heading to Search the Inventory, or I can check out that cart. So I'm going to go ahead and check out. And if I try to change this to get, let's say I need 3 or 4 or 5 copies worth. When I try that, it says, please enter a value less than or equal to 1. So we're going to leave it at 1. And then if you need multiple, you can write me a note. Write the note. And then hit Submit Reservation. Now, once you've completed your cart, you can now begin a new cart for a separate time or date range. So that is how to borrow from STEM Library Lab. Thanks for watching.